So, somehow or another, you got to this page. Somehow, I entranced you with my title. I wasn't lying. I am a bald, ugly cat. Being weird. But I have a deeper message. The message is that we're so caught up in cultural and social politics that we don't see the true divine knowledge is we're all one and the same. We're all a creation of the earth. Nobody can dispute that. So how do we have the power to judge another for how they look because they don't have eyebrows, because they don't have hair, or because they're weird and I want to be different than what society says they should be? I don't believe in that. I believe in fighting against society. So, with this all being said, this is my YouTube page. Check out my Oh wait, I don't have a Facebook because I'm under a pseudonym, so I cannot have a Facebook. So, check me out on Twitter, twitter.com, Elise Lacar. Sorry, I'm so used to the word Facebook that I have to include it in conversation. My Twitter, sorry, is Elise Lacar. Tag name Equality for All. Instagram.com, Equality for All. Kind of get the picture. My website, though, where if you want to really learn the true knowledge, the true lost message, go to my website, www.equality.com. Now, for your pleasure, because you listened to this video, I shall give you what you wanted, a ugly amount of burping. I'll stop. You got the picture. Could go on, but I won't. Check out equality.com. Want to change the way of thinking. Do not put an ad on my video. Do not spam. I have an oath to never take $1, so take it elsewhere. I'm not looking for it. So, if you are okay with crass ideas and expanding the mind, take a look at what I have to say. Thanks. Signing off, Elise Lacar.